Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to scan QR code on Imo app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Imo application, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you download the Imo app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Imo app and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Imo. So now we're here, let's quickly hop into this task, and that is how to scan QR code on Imo app. Now you scan QR code to add a friend if you don't want to add a friend manually. So how do you do that? Check the top left corner of your screen where you have your profile picture or your profile icon. Click on that. It takes you over to this window where you have switch account, security and privacy settings, Imo voice, you have Game Center, MyFast, Albubble, Share Mode, and then help and feedback. But at the top right corner, you have the scanner right there, the QR code scan kind of thing. So go ahead and click on the scanner icon at the top right corner and it takes you over here. Now this is temporary QR code, so you can scan this QR code to add me. But then if you want to scan someone's code, go ahead and check the top right corner and click on the scanner. So this is the scanner. Okay, this is the scanner. So this scanner can now scan any QR code to add a friend. This is it. So you can use the scanner to add a friend from here. So after scanning the code, you'll be able to add whoever you want to add right here in Imo. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.